Vlogmas!
Welcome back to the sewing room. It's much later in the day. Mum has been doing her carol singing.
I have.
She's been handy.
Yes. Papa has been out doing the shopping and getting the bits and pieces. It looks like you're just about to start cooking as well.
Yes.
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 Yes. And I've been lying in bed trying to catch up on all the sleep I missed last night. I am not feeling good, which is why I'm still in my PJs. But we worked out yesterday's clue, and then we got this. Cues! There's multiple cues.
Cows.
Cows. Cues.
Cattle.
Yes, which we got ahead of ourselves, but we're not going to go any further. No. We know which envelope to open tomorrow. Can't tell you.
But we're on a run.
We are, we're doing well, but it's an advent calendar, Papa. Right, so you're looking for day 16.
16.
Not many days left.
No, I know.
No, I know. Are you all done? Ready?
20.
Oh, I know what we haven't done. I'll discuss it later. Mustn't forget.
21.
22. It's going to be the last
Is it 16?
Or is it 16?
Did you do 16 yesterday? Okay, yeah, you're looking for 17.
Hey! It's the first one I picked up.
Sorry, Mum. Oh, I think this is one of the weird spectrum ones.
Alright.
No.
Yes, the bottom one is.
This one keeps appearing.
No, there's a different one.
Oh, you keep telling me that.
They're variations on the shades.
Yeah.
So you've got sunshine orange and then another tealy turquoise.
Lovely.
Yeah, and like I said, this is new look because the thread is
right,
still in there, but it's just
Rude.
escaped.
It's a bit rude.
It's escaped. Right, my turn. 17.
It's gone dark.
It went dark a while ago.
Okay.
I'll operate her.
Well, it's very easy now. Rachel's laid it out very. Ooh. I think this is a glittery one.
Oh.
Glitter, glitter.
I think it's a glittery one. Yes, it's a Oh! It's a matching one to the one that I got the so I can do a flap on a bag. I like
Excellent.
it. I like it. Thank you very much. That's going
As soon as you said flap on a bag,
That would be a big bag.
I could see where it went.
Yes, no, but it will be a big bag, but I think it's going to look very pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you very much. So yeah, that's it for today. It's
We're
going
all there.
really quick. Yeah,
Wow.
we filmed not even 3
That's
minutes.
because we've
That'd
had
be
a lot
short.
of practice.
Well, not quite short because they're under 60 seconds. Yes. But
You have
that
to
is
speed us up.
slow us down.
Yeah.
We need to make it longer. No, we did it sped up. We'd be like chipmunks.
Yeah.
It's not good.
No.
So yeah, we're going to call it a night for tonight, I'm afraid.
I've got to go and cook.
Yes, Dad needs to make dinner. I will show you the dog because she's been brought down here to pee because she doesn't like peeing, so she's had to be physically brought outside and she's in her bed. Are they abandoning you? Are they leaving without you, Suze? Which is very cute.
She actually came out willingly. Yeah. She wanted to come out.
Right.
Okay, well, anyway, so we will see you all tomorrow.
No doubt.
Bye.
Bye.
The next day.
I've just edited it and I couldn't leave it at just that, so I've got a few other things that I wanted to tell you at some point this month, so I thought I might as well do it now in Vlogmas Day 17. First off, Andy Satterland is retiring all of her patterns, untangling knots, so if you've ever wanted a hortensia, which is this one, which I have loads of and wear very, very frequently, now is the time to get it because I don't think they're going to be available past the end of the year. I do think there's a discount code as well. If I can find it, I will list it down below. It was Rachel that let me know about this, so thank you, Rachel, and to anybody that's ever wanted an Andy Satterland pattern, now is definitely the time to get it. Also, it got down to around about 8-9 degrees in my bedroom at night, which is chilly. It's very, very chilly, so Mum has very kindly let me have the peacock quilt because it was getting cold in here. It looks beautiful with the bed. Chiana, as you can see, is very excited to make sure it is thoroughly fluffed. So this quilt was made for a super king size bed, and mine is a king size bed, so it is a little bit big for the bed it's on now. Also, it was made for a bed that didn't have a footer. It didn't so there's no overhang at the end of the quilt because Mum and Dad's previous bed was actually butted up right against the wall with a headboard in the middle of the room so that they could have the view when they woke up. Their bed was very high and you just open the windows and then it was like panoramic views out over to the English Channel. It was very beautiful. So that's why the quilt doesn't have like a footer on it, although I'm not sure you can see it in that footage, but it's absolutely gorgeous. It goes so well with the headboard. You can see Chiana in that image or that little video clip just eyeing it up, being like, this needs fluffing. There will be a little grey patch of fluff where she likes to sleep. She has 2 spots on the bed, but I think There is a Chiana present under the tree that will solve the kind of like fluff on everything else issue. She might have her own little igloo cat bed coming, so that's good. I never usually have any trouble thinking about what to waffle at you guys about, but today not so much. Oh, I've got this dress on again. It's my 6891 that I did the sew along for, which you can find up here. I've put it today with the gold roll neck from, or mock neck from Next, and the gold hortensia. And I wore this outfit earlier this month and I put like the burgundy, and it was a higher neck, which actually I don't think is doing my neckline any favors at the moment. I've bought myself a new face device on the recommendation from my esthetician. No, that's probably not said correctly. It's to help kind of like tone everything up. I'm wondering if it's going to help with the pain as well. There's also an infrared head that goes on it to supposedly help with wrinkles. I've used it twice now and it feels amazing. It doesn't help with the pain, but it's just a nice feeling. But yeah, I've kind of been noticing that this has started to, in very high necks, be a little bit more prominent. So I think this is more flattering anyway. But also, this is one of my colours from my spring palette that Nicola and I talked about during I had my colours done the other day. There's a lot of editing to do on that video and a lot of waffle to film for that as well. So that will be coming, I'm hoping, before the end of the year, but it might be in January. Last year I had to stop on the 20th because I had to film everything to then get ready to travel on Christmas Eve to get to London. Obviously I am staying on the island this year. There's a few of you that haven't kind of noticed, but I am single now, have been since February, so I haven't been going back and forwards to London like I had been planning to. I have talked about it in a couple of the hangouts, I've talked about it in the Patreon exclusive waffles, but there's a few of you that have been asking, and it's totally fine, it's not a problem because I haven't actually said it out loud. But yes, I am single. We broke up in February. I am now much more okay with it than I was at the time. It's taken me a long time to get here and I'm not totally okay, but better than I was. But yeah, so last year I had to stop sewing at a certain date so I could film everything, so I could take it all the way to edit with me. This year I don't need to do that, and I had it in my head that I needed to get all this stuff done before Christmas, and I've got till the 31st of December to keep sewing, and you know, I don't have to arbitrarily stop on the 20th and lose those 11 days. I mean, obviously we're going to be going, you know, Christmas Day, I'm not going to sew then. We're going out Boxing Day to a pantomime and things like that. There's, you know, like, I haven't got actually 11 days, but I've got loads of time to keep sewing, so it's not the end of the world that if everything doesn't get finished before Christmas this time. So I'm planning on filming a few proper videos. I've got the Halston skirt to do. I need to do a sample, then I just need to finish editing it. I watched it through again last night, the rough edit that I've done, and I need to refilm the pattern tweaks that I made because I got myself a little bit confused in those, and it didn't flow and I couldn't cut it so it flowed easily, so I need to refilm that. But then hopefully that video will be out next week, and then year in the review, and having my colours done and my month of no dresses. That was a very long-winded way of saying I wore this outfit but with the burgundy and the kind of plum coloured cardigan that Mum had knit me, and I think I look so much better in this colourway than I did in that colourway. And if I can, I'm going to put like a side-by-side picture of me in this dress in both iterations. It's not to say that I'm never going to wear that cardigan again, because I love the cardigan and it's a v-neck cardigan, but I probably will be getting rid of that burgundy mock neck or turtle roll neck because I really don't think that colour looks great on me. And it was one of the ones that Nicola like highlighted how washed out and kind of like it just took all of my vibrance away. So yeah, I think I didn't feel great in that outfit when I put it on, but I kept it on because it was like, just having one of those days. But yeah, I do think it's that roll neck. So if I'd had this on with the mulberry coloured or the plum coloured cardigan over the top, I think that would have worked better. But yeah, I thought that was interesting. Anyway, now I've waffled 7 minutes. I was worried I wasn't going to have enough waffle at all, but now I've waffled for 7 minutes. So I'm going to go. I hope you've enjoyed this very kind of like weird little Vlogmas day. Sorry that yesterday was another duvet day for me, but you know, when your body tells you to take it easy, you listen and take it easy. Yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the little bit of waffle. Mum and Dad are on their way down now to film day 18's calendars, and we do need to say happy birthday to Big Bird because it's Big Bird's birthday today, so I'm just going to wait for them to do that, film that, add that in here. Happy birthday! Yeah, Big Bird. And now I'm going to say goodbye. So I hope you've enjoyed it, and I will see you all tomorrow for more Vlogmas. Bye!